Hi, my name is St. Billingsley with HomeTowne Auto Repair Tire here in Woodbridge, Virginia. We are a small business here in Woodbridge, and we do believe in community support. There are many organizations that we do support, but three main ones are the ARC, ACTS, and Americans at Wartime Museum. With the ARC, we do work on their vans, and it's kind of a special thing because they work with special need kids and adults, and they have different homes around the area. The other thing that we do through What's Up Prince William, or WPW.news, is we support that organization to help talk about them. So we talk about different programs they're doing, what they're doing in the community. Also, for their fundraisers, we actually help promote their fundraisers to help them, earn money to keep that organization going.
HomeTowne has been a great supporter for the ARC for several years now. We rely on HomeTowne because of the fact we operate, you see behind me, about 50 vehicles, including these vans, smaller vans, maintenance vehicles. And so HomeTowne services and cares for all of our vehicles. They provide all oil changes and annual inspections at no cost. In addition, they do all repairs on our vehicles. And sometimes when a vehicle breaks down with somebody with a disability on the vehicle, they are on the spot immediately and make certain that we care for our folks, get the vehicle back and running, or bring a replacement vehicle so we continue the mission that we have each and every day. What's Up Prince William has been a tremendous support to us from a marketing and promotional standpoint. Every time we have a program that's coming out, What's Up Prince William will help us put a program together, help us put the promotional material together, and make it happen. And so we are very, very grateful to the generosity of What's Up Prince William.
The Americans at Wartime Museum is another nonprofit that we support, and they are actually building a place right here in Dale City behind the old Kmart right off of Dale Boulevard. That organization is a little bit unique where it actually can bring some tourism to the Dale City area. And they talk about the military in a little bit different way than some of the other museums do, where these tanks actually, you're able to drive around. You can actually, smell it running. You can hear them. And then they have different things where you can actually see what it looked like at different eras of the military through their operations. And we support them through WPW.news, where we do help them with their promotion. We help them with the open house that they do, doing videos and promotion from that, everything from the Jumbotron to articles to videos, even Facebook promotion.
What's Up Prince William and ST and everyone that's a part of it spends a lot of time, a lot of hours putting together marketing, production videos, spending time out on the tank farm, really telling the story of America's in wartime, which is something that this community and this nation really needs to never forget the stories of the sacrifices that our veterans have endured to allow us to have the freedoms that we have here in America today. My relationship with ST began through What's Up Prince William, and he has been instrumental in my time as a sitting supervisor on this board and helping me get out many messages, not just from a county board perspective, but also as a volunteer firefighter. ST was critical in really telling the Dale City Volunteer Fire Department's 50th anniversary story. He put together this beautiful presentation video of the history of the department over the years. He's also assisted all the volunteer departments with telling the story of why volunteering is so important. Pretty much what he does with What's Up Prince William.
ACTS, located in Dumfries, Virginia, is another nonprofit that we support, and we support them through WPW.news, What's Up Prince William.
What's Up Prince William has been here for ACTS ever since What's Up Prince William started, back when it was What's Up Woodbridge. Every time we do something new, we know we can count on What's Up Prince William. They've been here for the opening of our Hunger Prevention Center, the opening of our new office in Manassas a few years ago. In fact, they're here for pretty much all the good news we have to share with the community. ACT's annual iWalk would not be the same without What's Up Prince William. Every year, they're the media sponsor, and they're the ones who help get everybody to come out and support. When I look around and I see blue shirts by the hundreds, I know What's Up Prince William helped get them there. That's what they do. It's all good news.
As a nonprofit that's doing a lot of great work in our community, it's very helpful to have strategic partnerships with various other organizations throughout the community, especially when it comes to getting our message out. We had our ACTS at our 50th anniversary celebration a little over a year ago now. And we put together some videos looking back at our past, our history, what we're currently doing, and even exploring some new programs and ideas for the future of ACTS. They were shown as part of our gala and just got rave reviews, and then being able to get that out on social media, it's been seen over and over and over again, and a great way for us to tell our story. When we launched the Prince William Food Rescue Program, again, this was a brand new concept, bringing technology in to mobilize volunteers, to reduce food waste, to reduce hunger, promoting our launch, and then doing a really great video just about the app itself. How does it work? How do people in the community use it to be food rescue heroes, to be able to reduce food waste and food insecurity in our community? And so that's another way in which we've been able to partner to get our message out and be able to communicate with the community very clearly about our program, and that's just been fantastic.
These are just examples of 3 main ones that we consistently support, but we do lots of other support through the community also. Sometimes they might be one-offs for churches or nonprofits. They could be a small business opening up or doing something in the community. Just reach out to us and we might be able to talk about you. And we don't charge for that. We are, like I said, a small, locally owned business. Please come support us because we are the ones that are supporting our community. We're not an online box store or anything. We are from here, we work here, and we support here. Please support us.